All right, on a mission to see if our chicks, if any of the other ones have started laying eggs. We have one that has been laying eggs. Let's see. No eggs. No eggs in here. And then we have another chicken that laid an egg on our patio 2 days ago. So let's see if we can find another egg somewhere. Are there any here? No eggs here. Where's the egg, chick? Have you laid an egg? Have you laid an egg? If you laid an egg, where would it be? You're supposed to lay eggs in the coop.
Doesn't look like one.
Let me see. Put it. Oh, that's an avocado pit. Not tree. Okay. Okay, we found one. I wonder who laid that. Hold it out. Hold it the other way. Let's see. Look at that. Okay, so light brown with white speckles. I don't know if you can see that. I wonder who laid that one.